This 2026 Jayco Jay Feather 21 MBH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Clarkston, Michigan, 48348 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 26 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, slide-out, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, Murphy bed, outdoor kitchen, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.